Hi guys, let's make avocado chili cheese sandwich. First, I'll scoop out the ripe avocado and transfer it to a mixie jar. To this, I'll add single garlic clove. Next, I'll squeeze half lime juice and then add 1 tablespoon yogurt to this and make a smooth paste. Now the avocado paste is ready. I'll transfer it to a bowl. To this we'll add salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Now I'll sprinkle some Italian herbs. And 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper. Mix well. Now take a bread and apply some butter on it. Now I'll apply the avocado paste that I prepared earlier. Add cheese to this. You can add any cheese you like. I prefer processed cheese because it tastes very delicious. Now apply butter on both the sides and fry it in a pan on medium-low flame. The bread has fried on both the sides. The sandwich has turned out very crispy and the cheese has melted well. The other day I made the same sandwich by adding 2 slices of tomato and 2 slices of cucumber. Do try it both the ways and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching.